Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today's video we're learning how to convert orthographic to isometric projection. Okay, and please, very important, remember to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. So guys, let's get to work. So this is the front view, okay, and this is top view. So we're going to combine it together and form the isometric block. So first thing is first, I will get my t-square or my ruler, and then I will draw a straight line. This situation will serve as my reference line or my baseline. Okay, so getting my 30 degrees set square, I'll place it this way at first. I want to get my V. I want to incline my drawing as 30 degrees to the horizontal. Remember, isometric projection are inclined as 30 degrees to the horizontal. Okay, having done that, guys, let's put the front view that way. Okay, so my total length of the front view is 70, so I'll mark 70. Okay, I'm taking it 17, and then the height here, okay, this is that part here, so that part here is 40, so I put 40. I want to place my front view this part of the V line. The up is actually 14, so I'll put my t-square, my set square, I mean to say, draw a line. Okay, draw a line, then I'll mark the 14. Okay, now this part here, okay, is actually 15. I'll bring it in and then I'll go 15. Now I'll just draw and join when it intersects, then I cannot taking it. Come back to taking it. Alright guys, having done that, now if you check, there's actually this is actually something is in the front view. Actually from the top view, it's also showing from the top view. Listen, but there's a small space here, and here it's actually not given. So if you know that this part has 40, take for example, and here has 18, we put x here, put x. Let's get this many total spaces here. So x plus 18 plus x equals to 40. So calculation, you have that 2x is equals to 22, and divided by 2 you have your value. So each of these parts is actually given as 11 11. So from this point here, I'll measure 11 here. Okay, 11. Length here is about 20. Okay, it's about 20, 20. So I'll mark 20. Okay, and then I'll bring the stuff this way from up. Okay, I'll finish this up part. The top safe, what are you giving as dimension? Should giving 40. Okay, using 40 for the up, and then we'll join what actually was given in question. This top part here. Okay, so this part is actually okay. I will get it here and then put my measurements. Actually 40 here too. Then at this point I'll join up. And the thickness of this nigga here is actually 18. This one, so it's 18 from the question. No, see, 18 here, 18. Okay, so if you're watching this video to this extent, then you must have been enjoying this video. Please endeavor to like this video and drop a lovely and nice comment. So I'll just finish it up by doing this. Okay, now complete it. Yes, we are done. Having done that, I'll bring down this side. Okay, now I want to measure the total length of the side view too. Let me just take in this part. Sorry, the length of the side view is 40 as we're given here. So I'll just take in the 40 and complete my diagram. So I'll bring it this way and complete it down. So guys, how does it look? This looks so fabulous. This is actually how we can convert that nigga there to this nigga here. You got converting orthographic to isometric. So it's actually just taking in my lines, make my work look sharp and neat to impress my lecturer. Alright guys, so we're actually done with this stuff. Thank you guys for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in our next episode.